but you're not. I can be a better dancer than you, because I know my wits. I think I can prove you wrong, but I bet I'm better at everything than you. And I got pride that you despise, because I'm making this solo. Freestyle makes me hard and wild. I know I can do it better than you. You think you can expose me, but I'm not a typical slut. You think you're a friend of mine, but you always telling me lies, boy. Walk on home, I'd rather be alone. I'm too good for you. Hey, hey, yeah. I hope you know your place. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. This face you cannot replace. You think you're harder than me. Well, maybe you're right, but I got personality. Bam, what now? You're stupid and you're fucked. But guess what? At least I'm not a slut. Ha! I don't have to underdress to be the guy's very best. I can play both roles and it doesn't take a toll, 'cause I'm not only that, but I'm a man's best friend, not a dog. I don't care what you think of me. I try to befriend you. I try to help you, but you couldn't get your head out of your ass. Hey! Get your head out of your ass! Baby, watch out.